You finally got that raise you've been working for. A better paycheck, a better life, right? So you upgrade your phone, move into a bigger apartment, buy a better car, because you've earned it. New income triggers small upgrades, coffee runs, impulse buys, subscriptions you barely notice. Each tiny yes becomes a permanent bill that eats your raise. That new car feels like success, but financing adds insurance, maintenance, and fuel. The true cost quietly outruns the raise that justified it. But months later, you're still broke. How? Because of something called lifestyle inflation, the silent killer of your financial freedom. Lifestyle inflation happens when your expenses rise as fast as your income. Instead of using that raise to invest or save, it disappears into the latest gadget, vacation, or designer outfit. And here's the trap. It feels normal. Everyone does it. But over time, it quietly robs you of wealth, opportunity, and peace of mind. Let's put it this way. If you earn $3,000 a month and spend $2,500, you save $500. Now you get promoted and earn $5,000. But instead of saving more, you start spending $4,800. Technically, you're still doing fine, but your savings rate hasn't improved. You've just upgraded your lifestyle, not your net worth. Track every recurring expense. Name it, date it, and ask, does this purchase buy freedom or just noise? Keep investing simple. Low-cost index funds beat most fancy picks over time. Automate contributions right after payday. Compounding turns time into money. Small, steady deposits snowball into choices your future self will thank you for. Freedom often looks quiet. No payment anxiety, just space to breathe, think, and choose deliberately. Anchor your lifestyle. Upgrade skills and assets, not furniture sets or card trims that demand monthly tribute. Make it automatic. Send a fixed percentage, say 30% of every raise, into investments first, non-negotiable. Tiny deposits matter. Consistency beats intensity. A missed day is fine. Momentum is everything. Plan trips with cash, not debt. Experiences taste sweeter when they don't follow you home as payments. Write a one-page money plan. Income, essentials, goals. Set automatic transfers, note bill dates, pick an investing target, and include a fun budget you'll actually keep. Review weekly, adjust slowly, never during hype. Lesson 1. Anchor your lifestyle, not your income. When your income grows, your savings and investments should grow faster. Keep your lifestyle stable for a while. Let your money catch up with your dreams before your spending does. Lesson 2. Redirect raises into assets. Every raise is an opportunity. You can spend it on things that lose value or on assets that create value. Stocks, index funds, real estate, or even a side business. Because assets work for you even when you're asleep. Lesson 3. Define what enough means. Wealth isn't about endless upgrades. It's about control. The freedom to say no when others can't. The power to make decisions from choice, not desperation. Lifestyle inflation doesn't announce itself. It starts quietly, with a dinner out here, a new subscription there. But the moment you become aware of it, you can take your power back. Because wealth isn't built by how much you make. It's built by how much you keep and grow. Revisit your enough number. When bills and joy fit beneath it, stop upgrading and let wealth rise instead. Agree clear rules together. A set percent to investing, a cap on lifestyle, and no surprise subscriptions. Free time beats fancier things. Invest in days off, skills, and health, not decorations that depreciate. Save for experiences in advance. Flights feel lighter when paid long before takeoff. Simple routines reduce wants. Fewer decisions mean fewer impulses. And easier saving without willpower. Choose between a short dopamine spike or lasting dividends. Pick dividends, repeatedly. Contentment grows when money matches values, not trends. Let quiet choices stack up. Master your lifestyle. Build your freedom. City lights fade. Your plan shouldn't. Automate transfers so progress continues on autopilot. Each stack is a promise kept. Guard raises from lifestyle creep and feed your asset engine first. Final rule: gratitude over comparison. Track progress monthly, celebrate discipline, and let wealth compound quietly while you live intentionally.